Jurisdictions of the High Court in Pakistan. 1. Article 199(1), to issue 5 writs, namely mandamus, prohibition, certiorari, habeas corpus and quo warranto. 2. Article 199(2), enforcement of fundamental rights. 3. Article 203, to supervise, control subordinate courts. 4. Article 204, to punish for its contempt. 5. To hear an appeal under Section 100 of CrPC. 6. To decide reference under Section 100 of CrPC. 7. Power of review under Section 114 of CrPC. 8. Power of revision under Section 115 of CrPC. 9. Appeals under Section 410 of the Criminal Procedure Code. 10. Appeals against acquittal under Section 411(8)(2) of the Criminal Procedure Code. 11. Appeals against judgment/decree/order of tribunals under special laws. 12. To issue directions of the nature of habeas corpus under Section 491 of CrPC. 13. Power of revision under Section 439 CrPC. 14. Hedge intercourt appeal at Lahore High Court and High Court of Sindh.